Hello and welcome to another SG Fitness Foods video. Today we're going to be making chickpea curry. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Quite quick to make, really easy, tastes great, full of nutrients. Let's go. I'm going to walk you through the ingredients, bring it down here. We're going to be needing 2 chopped onions, 150 grams chopped green beans, that's 500 grams of chickpeas and 200 grams of chopped tomatoes, a tin of coconut milk, some garlic and a whole range of spices. We've got ginger powder, but you can use fresh. We've got chopped chili flakes, but again you can use fresh. Coriander, you can use fresh. Paprika, tumeric, garam masala, and ground cumin. Get a large pan on a high heat. To make this a little bit healthier, we're going to be using coconut oil. For the main anyway. You can always top it up with normal oil. Unfortunately, with Indian cooking like this, you do need a lot of oil. That's 3 big spoons should do. We're going to go straight in with our onions. You just want these to soften up and start to caramelise. They'll sweeten up. Teaspoon of chili flakes. A level teaspoon of ginger powder, sorry. Big spoonful of ground coriander. A little bit extra. Big spoonful of paprika. Decent spoonful of tumeric. A good spoonful of garam masala. And finally, a spoonful of cumin. Good pinch of salt. At this stage you may need to add a little more oil because you don't want that to dry out and stick. Turn the heat down a little bit. It basically sears those flavours in, they won't burn. Introduce them to the high heat and that's delicious. Now, add the coconut milk. Along with the tomatoes. and the beans. Make sure it's all mixed up and you haven't got any of the spices stuck to the bottom. Okay, and after a few minutes, you can now add all your chickpeas. These are going to take about 4 minutes. You want to do it nice and gently, don't overcook them. So make sure the temperature's down quite low now. Just let it simmer. Now I'm just going to get a handful of spinach with some scissors. Just going to cut it into it. Stir that in. Take it off the heat, leave it to cool, and it'll be ready. So there we go guys, chickpea curry. Just top it with a lemon, and it's ready to go. Top it with a lemon, and it's ready to go. And it's ready to go.